how to convert a Google Maps route into a GPX file. So here I've chosen a route. Once you're done with this, just go to Options, then go to Details, and then click the Share button, and then click Copy Link. Then you need to go to Maps to GPX, and just click the first link, and simply paste the link that you copied from Google Maps. If this website doesn't work, just try a different website. Let's click here and then click Maps to GPX. Then let's go to Convert to GPX. Let's go Save. And there you go. You have your GPX file. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.